Hello! I recently bought a 2020 Seat Leon Sports Tourer and have been looking for a dashcam that didn't get in the way of the light sensor on the back of the rearview mirror. During my research, I came across Fitcam, who make OEM style dashcams that get installed behind the rearview mirror. It also gets powered by the rain sensor, so there's no need for complicated and unsightly wiring. The dashcam arrived quite quickly and was packaged really nicely. The box contained a camera, a trim pry tool, a 64GB memory card, and a memory card reader which supported both USB-A and C. To get started, we first have to remove the rearview mirror cover on the car. Simply insert the pry tool between the plastic parts marked 1 and 2, and the plastic part marked 1 should slide down, allowing the part marked 2 to be removed. Here you can see the arm to which the cover and the rearview mirror are mounted. Before we install the new cover with the integrated dashcam, it's worth comparing the removed cover with the dashcam. You may find, like me, that you need to trim the plastic cover for the dashcam a little, as indicated on the sticker. After trimming the plastic to fit the car, we need to unplug the rain sensor, which is the plug furthest away from us, marked in red in this picture. Once we've unplugged the rain sensor, we can install the left half of the dashcam. That's the side with the camera and the wires. Simply plug the dashcam into the rain sensor and the cable will be removed into the dashcam. After plugging in the dashcam and installing the left half, we can install the right half. And that's it for the physical installation. All we have to do now is insert the provided SD card into the dashcam and download the app. Once downloaded, simply start the car and follow the instructions in the app to set up and configure the dashcam. The app can be used to check the recorded videos directly on the phone. Here's a clip of one of our first journeys with the dashcam installed. The camera has a 4K resolution, which captures a lot of detail and makes videos crystal clear. It has a 170-degree angle of view, which covers the whole front of the car and the road ahead. During the daytime, the quality is great and captures plenty of detail. The quality at night is great too. Even with a lot of rain, there isn't a lot of glare caused by street lights and car lights. The dashcam is able to capture plenty of detail, including number plates and road signs. Over the last couple of weeks since we've installed the dashcam, we've already captured footage of various near misses. The footage captured by the dashcam would have been invaluable if we ever needed to claim from insurance. For example, on a recent drive at dusk, there were deer grazing at the side of the road and almost jumped in front of the car. On a journey via a narrow street in a mountain on a rainy and foggy day, a car appeared out of nowhere, and we had to reverse to the nearest passing place to let the car go. Further on, in the same journey, we also encountered some sheep on the middle of the narrow country lane. As you can see, the dashcam has already proved really valuable. I can't recommend the FitcamX dashcam highly enough. It integrates really nicely into the car and captures great footage that should come in really handy in the event we ever needed to make an insurance claim.